So just having a quick look at risk appetite seems to have returned to the markets again this week. We've broken out of this distribution range here on the 4 hour, so it's moderately bullish, and we've still got a distribution here on the daily as well, with the target up to the top of the distributions up here. Ideally, I'd like to see the market form a double top coming into October, because then I'm going to pin my ears back. I'm going to be in Vietnam again this year for the whole of October, so hopefully I get similar conditions to what I had last time when I absolutely smashed it last time. So it'd be good to get the similar, something really good, some really good moves, and there's nothing better than making money when you're traveling, and you can really live the dream. It's something that I never expected to be able to do, really, but that's one of the benefits of being able to trade. You can trade from anywhere. You've got the internet, and the internet's really good in Vietnam. Wi-Fi is awesome there, so very fast and really good. So hopefully we're going to get a rally up to here. So I'm trading the E-mini on the way up to this resistance here, and then we'll see what it does. If it gets the resistance, then we'll take it as it comes, but it could potentially break out through there, and then we see if it puts in a reversal. It could be a blow off top or something. We don't know yet. We don't want to make predictions about where it's going to go. We're just looking at the evidence as it is at hand, and that's all you can do. So if things change, then you change accordingly. You don't get married to an idea. Junk bonds are still in this. That's typical of a distribution, to have a false breakout there and then it pulls back to the Kijunsen again. That's absolutely typical. And on the 4 hour here, it made a small false breakout, and the momentum was to the upside on the 4 hour here, so it's come back to the Kijunsen on the 4 hour as well, and now it's making a rally here. So the risk appetite is back on again. Could all change with a tweet from Trump, who knows, but we don't want to anticipate anything. We're just having a look at what's going on. The VIX is in a daily distribution here on the VIX still. But it's pulling back. It can turn up. It can turn up very rapidly from here still. So still above as long as it's still above the centre line here, the 0 line on the MACD, it can turn back up again. So we don't want to be too aggressively bullish. When it gets below the centre line, the VIX gets below the centre line, that's when you tend to be more bullish on stocks. But so TLT has been that's been sold off quite sharply. So that's a good sign of money potentially flowing back into stocks out of this safe haven. So Bund has also been sold off hard. I said this double top on the Bund here. It's going to be a potential reversal area, and of course it was, as it often is. It's one of my favourite patterns, the double top on any chart. Doesn't matter what it is. It's the same on cryptos, it's the same on commodities, it's the same on anything. It's one of my favourite patterns, and really sold off quite heavily there. And emerging markets is back rallying again, so it's counter trend, but it's been record outflows from emerging markets, and now they seem to be buying it back again. So, and gold also came off a bit. Gold's broken back below the trend here on the daily for the first time since this rally started, so it could be the long-awaited pullback that everyone's been looking for, and it could be a really good buying opportunity, but I have to just see. But I certainly won't be shorting gold, that's for sure. And just see what it does, see where it finds support. This support level here is going to be a key level at the 4 hour here, so we'll see what it does when it gets to that level. But a lot of times I've thought it was going to sell off and it's powered on higher, so that's been mostly because of the US dollar Jappy. So the US dollar Jappy's been weak compared to gold versus gold, so that's why gold's been rallying. So the short-term template is prices above the Kumo here on the short-term template, and on the SPY, and the intraday has been rallying, but so there's been some good day trading on the intraday on the SPY and the E-mini, and see what it does from here. But it's interesting to see how it turns out, and just a quick one, and that'll be about it for now. Bye.